Good morning, YTPC. I want to share with you this beautiful billiard. This is a strawberry briar stummel that is sandblasted lightly to produce this unique swirl finish. The color scheme here was picked to accentuate this stabilized Sopari Nut section adornment on the shank. You've got black polished ebonite stem. The length of this pipe is 6 inches. The bowl height is 2 inches. Chamber dimensions are 7/8 by 1.5, so it's a generous bowl. And this is a 1.6 ounce pipe in weight. You'll find this pipe on my website. The link is below, www.pbhbp.com. Thanks for looking.